Okay, this is the 41 Silvertone 2312, I think. Just got through working on it. It's got a field coil type speaker, as you can see here. 4 wires, transformer attached right there. Speaker's had a little tear in it, but not bad. Meanwhile, from the back, this is what it looks like. 4-tuber, tube rectifier, original transformer. Now, I had to make some modifications because my big capacitor here had 2 10s and a 12 in it, and I just ended up putting a 3 10s small caps inside a plastic container, put it back in the original hole. That's what these red wires are here. That's the 3B pluses coming out. Then a couple of the 40 megs that are stuck way back there in the back. See it right there? That one right there. That cap was bad. Also, these fuses are bad about having cold solder joints on them, so you can get intermittent crackles from that. Meanwhile, the potentiometer, the item, since I've put new caps in it, all the voltages are within 10%, maybe 15%, but it has a strange little configuration going on with the volume pot. And as you turn it up, it sounds really good until you get to about 3/4, and then that's where the loudest audio output is, and it does distort nicely. But if you keep going past about, I don't know, what's it say on here? If you keep going up to about 5 or 6, the volume actually goes down. I think it's due to a bad solder connection on the pot right here, this guy right here. But I don't have a logarithmic 100K or 1 meg, 100K I think it is, pot, especially since it has the on-off switch on it too. I'm going to have to order one. Everything else seems okay. Some of the resistors are a little bit off, out of spec, and it might be a bias type of problem on the 6S V5, but I can't really tell for sure at this time. But it does sound really good, and once I get it sounding really, really good, I'll put a video up. Okay, thanks everybody.